Are you a real estate agent looking to close more deals, earn higher commissions, and tap into an underserved market with huge potential? Now stick with me because I'm about to show you how specializing in mobile and manufactured home sales could change your career and your paycheck forever. My name's Shane Jaffe. I'm a partner in HomeQuest. We're a leading retailer for new and pre-owned manufactured mobile homes in the state of California. Our team has closed thousands of escrows over the several decades we've been in business. The real estate market is constantly evolving, and one of the fastest growing segments in recent years is mobile in manufactured homes. These homes provide an affordable housing solution for a growing number of buyers, especially in land lease communities. But what's even better, this market is often overlooked by traditional real estate agents, which means less competition and more opportunities. That's right, less competition and more opportunities for you. So why is now the perfect time to jump into mobile home sales? It's simple. Demand is on the rise, and with fewer agents specializing in this niche, there's a lot of potential to dominate your local market. So let's break down why you should choose mobile home sales over traditional real estate. You have higher earning potential. You've probably heard that in real estate, or you already know, commissions are everything. While the home sales themselves may be priced lower than traditional single-family homes, they often sell faster, and the volume of each deals you close each month is higher. More deals, more commissions, more money. It's that simple. With mobile home sales, you're not just waiting for a couple of large sales a year. You're closing multiple transactions each month, and that means higher overall earnings. In traditional real estate market, you're likely competing against hundreds of agents for each listing. But in the mobile home market, the competition is much less fierce. This gives you the opportunity to become an expert in a growing market, which will help you attract more clients and stand out from the crowd. There's a streamlined sales process. One of the best parts about selling mobile homes, the process is typically faster and easier. The paperwork is more straightforward, there's much less of it, and the closings are quicker. This means less time spent on administrative tasks and more time for you to focus on what really matters, growing your business and closing deals. At HomeQuest, we built our business around helping agents thrive in the mobile home market, and that's why we're different from other brokerages. Here's how we support our agents and set them up for success. Our competitive commission structure. You'll earn more per sale even on homes with lower price points because of our high commission splits. Our goal is to ensure that you're rewarded for your hard work and that you can make the most out of every sale. One of the challenges in mobile home sales is knowledge. This is different than selling real estate. That's why we provide an in-depth training on everything from the basics of manufactured homes to more complex topics like chattel loans, park regulations, the mobile home park residency law, which is also the MRL, and Title 25. Plus, our team of experienced agents is always here to provide mentorship and advice. We're a team. We're all here to help each other. When you join HomeQuest, you're not just joining a brokerage, you're joining a team that's committed to helping you succeed. We know how important marketing is to your success. That's why we provide a full suite of marketing tools to help you generate leads and promote your listings. From social media resources to professional photography, we ensure that your listing stands out, that you get the exposure you deserve, and with our lead generation system, you won't be left wondering where your next deal is coming from. Another big advantage of working with HomeQuest is our access to specialized financing options. We offer chattel loans and other mobile home specific financing options that make it easier for buyers to get approved. This means you'll be able to help more clients secure financing and close deals faster. Now let's talk about flexibility and work-life balance. We understand that work-life balance is important. That's why we give you the flexibility to set your own schedule, work from home, and manage your workload in a way that works for you. With a faster sales cycle and more deals to close, you'll have the opportunity to enjoy the lifestyle that fits your personal goals. If you're ready to take your career to the next level and start closing more deals with higher earning potential, then HomeQuest is the place for you. Whether you're looking to specialize in mobile homes or just add them to your portfolio, we've got the tools, the training, and the support you need to succeed. You can visit our website at www.homequestsales.com. If you're interested in learning more or ready to get started, you could send us an email at info@homequestsales.com, or the best way to get a hold of us is to send me a direct message on Instagram at Manufactured Housing Expert.